Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. My favorite makeup today is this. This is my Lancome Glow For It palette. This is in 02 Rose Twinkle. These are the three shades that it comes with. They're just really beautiful highlighters. They've got a really smooth, like almost oily texture to them, but they glide on really easy onto the skin and they just give you a really beautiful gleam. I'm really enjoying these, especially for stage work, because they're very shiny and you can see them from a distance. I haven't put any on yet today, so I'm going to put that on in a few minutes, but I'm just really enjoying the way that this looks. And for today's look, I'm going to be doing some palette pals, so sort of switched it up a little bit. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, as well as the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. I was almost going to pair these again with the ones I did before. So previously Prism was with Subculture, and then I did this Electric Obsessions with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk, but I thought today I actually wanted to use them together. So this is what they look like. There's definitely sort of like a deeper jewelry tones in this one, and this one are very bright, beautiful, beautiful shimmer colors. There's also a lot of mattes in this, which I feel is the one thing. There aren't really interesting mattes in Prism. All of the interesting shades are the shimmer shades. So what I really wanted to use was I wanted an excuse to use this Dimension shade as well as Throne and Osiris, and I thought I might pop those on top of this teal shade in the corner here, and maybe even use a little bit of this shimmer shade as well. So that's what we're going to try out today, so let's get to it. So I've already primed my eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of this Eden shade here and just tap that across the lid. I'm also filming some makeup remover stuff today, so I'm seeing really up close how well some of them performed and some of them didn't, because man, I have glitter fallout from my day today. So that's no good, but that's all right. We'll get it off at some point today. So I have this base layer of Eden. I really want to build up this beautiful teal shade from the Huda Beauty Electrics palette. So let me take my brush there, and we're going to try putting that on the outer corner of my eye and blending that out. I haven't really used this particular shade very much, but I really enjoy the way it looks. I just think it's very beautiful, and it goes on really nicely actually. I don't have to blend too much, like there's going to be some blending. I take a little bit on the inner corner just to sort of go a top layer of that. I know I'm going to be using some shimmery shades on top of the inner corner, as I want to do, so I'm not too worried about that. And I was working today, so I've had a lot of makeup on over the course of this day, but we are planning to go to Disney World after work tomorrow, you know, head that direction anyway. And so I wanted to make sure I got all my filming done so I didn't have to worry about it. I actually have not been to Disney World since I was in high school, so this is going to be pretty exciting for me. It's been a really long time. And it's myself and 3 other of my pirates, and of the 4 of us, 3 of us have not been in a significant number of years, like a decade and change, and then our fearless leader, he got to go last year actually, so he was talking all about the stuff that we're going to do. I only have very vague recollections of stuff to do. All right, so this is looking pretty good. I'm getting a good base here because I'm going to put a lot of shimmer on top of it, and that's definitely going to negate a lot of the opacity of this shadow, as I have found. So now we have this base layer of the teal. I really want to pair it with this Throne shade. I think that's the one for me today. If I recall correctly, Throne does not like a brush, but let's see. No, Throne does not like a brush. So let's use our finger and tap that into the outer corner. I want to deepen that corner with my finger. I'm really enjoying how well that's layering. I think it just looks really nice. Obviously, this is a lot of look today. That's cool. I'm fine with that. All right, so now I'm going to take a little bit of this Dimension shade. I'm going to tap that in the center of my lid. I want to see how that's going to lighten that up. Ooh. Oh, that looks quite nice on top of there. I'm going to run just a touch of Lucid on the brow bone to see if that'll give me a little bit of lightness. I don't remember this one performing particularly well on the brow bone with a brush, but I'm going to see if maybe I was wrong. That's okay. And then we're going to go back into the Huda Beauty, and we are definitely going to take a touch of this lighter teal shade here and put that on the inner corner. I'm really enjoying the gradation I'm getting now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little liner on, and I'm going to clean this up right there, and I'll be right back. And here is my finished eye look. I had a little bit of a wing problem on this side, so this blend is not quite the same, but now that I've done it the first time, I think I can definitely fix it. What I am enjoying is the gradation of color that I'm getting from all of these shadows, so while it's not a perfect look, That's all right, I can practice it again later. But I do really like the color combination. So I'm in favor of pairing these two palettes. I think you can get some really interesting looks out of it. So I'm all in. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all soon. Bye!